It's something we don't always think about. We service a car, pack the camping gear, stock up on supplies, and we're off. But if the trailer or caravan isn't up to the trip, it could be the longest weekend of your life. The dangers with trailers and caravans is that they can sit dormant for months on end, meaning it can be a case of out of sight, out of mind. You could also be up to your neck in trouble with boat trailers, as they can be submerged in salt water. So, remember that your car parts aren't all that need servicing. From time to time, you should check all your other bearings and electrics before hitting the road. Wheel bearings are particularly susceptible. The combination of a worn bearing and speed is an accident waiting to happen. Having a wheel bearing collapse on a fully loaded trailer or caravan while being towed could ruin more than your weekend away. Your insurance may not cover the damage you caused to your property or someone else's, as your trailer would be considered unroadworthy. If you don't want your dream road trip to turn into a nightmare, leave it up to your Repco Authorised service team to service your caravan, boat, trailer or horse float. You can take it from the best heads in the business, local professionals with the nationwide backing of the biggest name in the automotive industry, Repco. And that's an auto fact. You'll find them near you at repcoservice.com.